Hi guys, good morning.
Hey guys, good morning.
So today I'll try and see if I can do a day in my life vlog. I think this is I don't even know what day of Ramadan it is. So what have you been? Gandhimana. Guys, I said I was going to vlog today, but honestly I don't even know what I'm doing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for clicking on my video. If you're a new subscriber, I promise you we are interesting here and we are nice. Thank you very much for choosing to click on this video.
Because we buy strawberry.
We'll buy strawberry? Okay. So now we're going for Yao. I don't even know where we're going to or how this vlog is going to turn out. But I promised myself I'm going to carry this camera today, and I'm carrying the camera today. So however it turns out, nothing is planned. Let's go. So I don't have a phone holder. Since this one broke, I didn't buy another one. So I've been wanting to do Ramadan vlogs just like last year, but this year honestly I don't have time this Ramadan because I have a lot of things that I planned to do. It has to do with my ibadah, my zikr and all that. So I don't have time to vlog because I have to do all that. I have to achieve my goals. Even though I have exceeded my goals, I am feeling so proud. Yeah, but I really need to keep pushing. I really need to connect with my God. Like, I need to feel spiritually, how do I put it? Like, spiritually filled. Yeah, if that's making sense. I don't know if it's making sense. So that's why I can't do any Ramadan vlog because I don't have that time. Guys, something funny happened. So I noticed some of my customers were sending me their names, and I didn't ask for their names because obviously I saved their numbers, so I know their names. But turns out Arif sent my customers messages in a voice note asking for their names. I don't know, guys, what is wrong with you? Can't you clearly differentiate between a child's voice and an adult's voice? And they were responding. And he was asking some of them whether they are whether they were my friends. If I have a way to add the voice note to this video, I will do it because I still don't know how to really edit videos that well. So if I can do that, I'm going to add the voice note so you guys can listen. Like, some of them were replying. Lord, I just thought to tell you guys about this because it was really funny to me. So the things people on TikTok are making me do. In case you don't know, I create content on TikTok where I go to places like restaurants, eateries, and then share my experience. So if you're on TikTok, you can follow me on TikTok at __EMSU and check out my content. So I'm here at a place called Cappuccino to create content. Honestly, when I had the name Cappuccino, I thought, yeah, let me just reserve my comment and leave the place first. But I just ordered for shawarma and burger. I pray and hope it tastes nice. I left Arif, Batul and Acidic in the car. I'll go out and meet them when my shawarma is ready. Or maybe I'll just go out and wait in the car. I think that would be better. It's really dark in here. Okay, yeah, I think it's my camera and it's also dark in here. So I'm back home. I got shawarma and burger as you saw when I was ordering at Cappuccino. I really liked the shawarma, but it was too spicy, man. For the burger, guys, I will not advise anyone to get that burger. It's too big. Let me not even start criticizing it. just don't buy that burger. If I don't know, if you like taking my words, and if I say something you think it means something to you, don't buy that burger. But you can buy the shawarma and then maybe ask them to reduce the pepper in it. And if you are someone that likes something that is spicy, then you'd really love their shawarma. It's really nice, but it was just too spicy for me, but I really liked it. So I'll see if there is anything I can help with, and then yeah, I don't know if the vlog is going to end here. If you're not subscribed, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do. And if this is your first time watching my video, guys, just go and watch my previous video. This is not my real face. This is not how I normally make videos. I'm going to make Danwake, guys. I know some people have a problem with the eggs being in the same pot with the Danwake, but I wash my eggs well because I'm very lazy. I can't start cooking them separately. I wash it well with sosong garfi. This is the Danwake batter. Is that right? If it is not right, comment the right word to use. I like my Danwake very tiny because to me it looks more presentable. So I think this will be the end of the vlog, and I will see you guys in my next vlog.